Bracing for the worst, more than 1,800 new coronavirus cases reported in our state. That's a record high number, and new hospitalizations top 900. Hello everyone, I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Nicole Baker. With the numbers continuing to trend in the wrong direction, many local leaders are now adding some new restrictions, and they're trying to stop this from spreading. It comes as we learn of another teen who has lost their life to the virus.
WJZ investigator Mike Helgren is live in Towson tonight, where the county executive is taking the governor's rollback on reopening one step further. Mike.
Oh, Vic and Nicole, we've seen more than 1,000 cases a day now for 10 straight days. And we know that elderly people are more likely to die from this virus, but it does strike the young, including the teenager you just mentioned. And the county's health officer confirms that person did have a pre-existing condition.
Going back to school, we've definitely seen an increase in our youngsters getting COVID-19.
Another young person has died from COVID-19 in Baltimore County, the first since 15-year-old Dariana Dyson back in May.
At this particular time, we're being very vigilant and watching that, and we're asking anyone, if you're a resident or if you live, work, and play in Baltimore County, to please be vigilant and wear your masks.
We are at a crisis point.
The Baltimore County executive announced that starting Sunday, restaurants must close by midnight and personal gatherings will be limited to 10 people indoors and 25 outdoors.
We very well may be facing our toughest challenge yet. COVID's long, dark winter.
The head of the Chamber of Commerce says restaurants are barely hanging on.
I'm going to tell you right now, I've got a lot of businesses here in Towson that have other places down in the city, and they don't think they're going to make it.
Maryland recorded 1,869 new cases and 12 new deaths, and a positivity rate inching closer to 6%.
I'm scared, personally, because I'm at a high risk because I'm diabetic. You know, and I'm going to doctors now to again get tested again. I done got tested 6 times. You know, and I'm not trusting it. You know, we are not currently taking it serious.
If a lot more people would have listened in the beginning, you know, and stopped fighting the whole mask mandate and everything, we wouldn't be as bad as we are right now.
And the county executive says these cases are not just numbers, there are neighbors. He says there's a social distancing task force that will enforce the regulations and has already visited thousands of businesses. He also announced that youth sports would be suspended starting next Tuesday. Reporting live in Towson, Mike Helgren, WJZ.